Students, today we have to discuss our next topic, operation of sets. Okay, so we will discuss different types of operation on sets. So our first operation is intersection of two sets. Intersection, that means we will see what is mean by it. Suppose we are having two sets A and B. The set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of a set A and B. Set of all common elements we want to find out, and we are making the another set for these common elements. So this set is called as intersection of a two set. Okay, so it is denoted as A intersection B and read as A intersection B. Okay, so intersection of two sets is a very simple concept and you can learn it by the Venn diagram also. So therefore we can write down it is as A intersection B is equals to set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. That means x is element of A as well as the element of B. Okay, so this is very easy concept to find out. So you can use different types of Venn diagrams to also understand. We will take one example of that. Suppose we are having two sets here. First set is A. In that we have the four elements. These are as 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So we have to find out the intersection of the set. So for that we required a second set also. So we are having the set B. And elements of a set B are as 2, 3, 6, 8. So we represent both the set by the Venn diagram. So for we have to select which elements are the common. 3, 3. Again, any element is common? No. So we have to draw the two circles, intersecting circles. Okay. And in the middle we are writing the 3. So the intersection set is having the C. So the element of A are 1, 3, 5, 7 here and element of B are here. Okay. So you will see that the element 3 is common in the set A and B. Therefore A intersection B is equals to 3. Here only one element is common. So that's why we are writing single elements. If there are number of elements are common, so we include these numbers here also, and if no element is there, then we can write down here empty set. Okay, then we will see the next example. You will just see A is given to you 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. So we have drawn that A as a 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. Okay, and B's set is given 1, 9, 11. So that means all element of B are present in A. So in another case we will say that B is the subset of A. Subset, that means in previous video I told you or I teach you what is mean by subset. Subset, that means all elements of B are present in A. Okay. So that our B is the subset of A. Then now we have to check out the intersection of these two sets. Then these two sets are not the intersecting sets as the previous. So which elements are common here in these two sets? 1, 3, 9, 1, 9, 11, 1, 9, 11. Okay. So we can write down the elements 1, 9, 11 are common in set A and set B. Therefore intersection of a set A and B is equals to 1, 9, 11. But set B is equals to 1, 9, 11. So shortly we can say something about that. You observe the statement which we are written here. Can you think anything? Okay, I tell you. If B is the subset of A, at that time intersection of A and B is set B compulsory. That means any subset is the subset of the set, then the intersection of these two sets is always the smaller set. Okay? Here you see that we are written A intersection B is equals to B. Okay, then we will see the properties of an intersection of a set. So first is A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Then second, if A is a subset of B, then A intersection B is equals to A. Third one is if A intersection B is equals to B, then B is the subset of A. Fourth one, A intersection B is a subset of A and A intersection B is the subset of B. Okay. And fifth one, A intersection of A complement is equals to empty set, because in these two sets we are having no common element, and A intersection of A is always A, and A intersection of empty set is empty set. Okay, these properties are very important. Then we will see our next operation, disjoint sets. We are having the example, set A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 9. Okay, so disjoint set is the very important concept related to our set. We are having the second set B, and the elements of set B are 2, 4, 8 are given. So confirm that not a single element is common in set A and B. Therefore, these sets are completely different from each other. So, set A and B are disjoint set. And observe it by Venn diagram. So, these two are the different circles. Okay. So, there is one activity. Observe set ABC given by the Venn diagram and write which of these are the disjoint set. Okay. So, which we say A and C. Let's the set of English alphabets be the universal set. Then we are making one law, cry. So you can find out the numbers of sets or disjoint sets here. And then you can find out the intersection of the two sets in this figure. So next operation is union of two sets. What is mean by union? So we will see it. Let A and B be two given sets. The set of all elements of a set A and B is called union of sets. It is written as A union B and read as A union B. Okay. So that means A union B is the set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. So every elements of A and B we required in the union. We will see the one example. Set A is given to us -1, -3, -5 and 0. So these four elements are in the set A. Okay. Then we are having the next set for finding the union. Set B is equals to 0, 3, 5. So we are finding the union of these two sets. So A union B is the -3, -5, 0, -1, 3, 5. So all the elements combinedly we are written in one set. So this is the union of two sets. Each element of A is in the set union and each element of a set B is also in the union. So A union B is equals to B union A, and see the Venn diagram. -3, -5, -1 and 0 are the set. Okay. So observe the following Venn diagram and write the following sets using the listening method. So can you write down these? U is equals to, in U, A and B, you have to write down all these by the listening method. I teach you how to write down. Then A union B, it is also possible to write down. And the fifth one, A intersection B. So one by one we will see it. A complement, B complement, okay. And next one, A union B complement, A intersection B complement,